Could you feel see the lava?
This area in front of us is a lava flow buffer area, the new community off your right. So there's several miles of space away from where the lava comes up on the ridge top left side of us, the East Rift Zone. And it is less expensive, so people will take the risk and buy out here. And then for the most part, most people will never deal with lava flow, but you don't know whom or when. We'll be coming out this way, so that'll put this lava flow on the right. But Brenda, Kenneth, this is that 2014-15 flow.
Okay.
Cut a road, a house, a cemetery, storage structure out of Pahoa town there. Now we can start to descend. Get more detail. These are ohia trees, tree ferns, staghorn fern, the bright green color. And this is going to turn into a really good bird habitat. This is all reserve. Kenneth, where are you guys visiting from? Or Brenda, you guys running from the cold, or you got a spring break like everybody else?
No, we're retired from Tennessee.
Oh, wow! Congratulations. Our generation, not too many people are going to be able to retire.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's big. Got a Tennessee boy over here, a pilot, for a little while. He moved to fly for us on Kauai. Nicest guy in the world. And he's kind of outdoorsman too. Flies helicopters. He was a UPS guy for like 21 years. And felt like he just needed to travel if he was going to do that, you know, so.
That sounds really good.
Gotta do that, you know, you gotta see your world. Okay, we're almost in the lava field. 49 square miles of what was rainforest and 2 communities covered by almost 100 feet of lava since 1983. And we have lava that's old and sprouting trees. We have lava that's cool and showing rust from the iron in the rock. And then we have lava that's still cooling and also lava that's flowing right now. Yep. Oh, the conditions are pretty good. And mind you now, like in the last couple of weeks, we only had a couple of days of flying, mostly cancellation. So here we are on the northeast corner, and there's our vent Pu'u'o'o. I know there's maybe some language barrier, but whatever. That is not a volcano, it's a vent on the side of the volcano, and functions like a cone volcano. That's the one spot where lava comes out of Kilauea to the surface, and that is a good 9 miles down this eastern side. Summit of Kilauea, and where the big hole is way up on the ridge that way. So this area is not approachable on ground. To fly in here, this is the only way to see the actual current eruption. All of this lava on our right side is cooling. That's 2013 till 2016 May. Yeah, it chipped away at the trees. The houses are just off to your right side. It got really close. About 2.5 kilometers, 1.3 miles away. Very raw and rough. Most of the area was kind of like this, shaped like this, but you know, coated by new lava minus the forest. You know. The oldest lava flows, 30 to 35 years here with this eruption, are well sprouted with trees, ferns, moss, lichen, or helloberry shrub, our flightless cricket and wolf spider. How's Elena and Grant? Good? Okay. Brenda? Good? Oh, it looks good out here. So there's going to be some traffic. We'll work with it. And then we'll go down on the lava tube just off to the left. And see the surface flow. Right where the blue smoke is on the ground, there's a breakout from the lava tube. If it's really sunny, it'll be hard to see the orange color where it's moving. But most of it is forming a skin of a crust. We might go to the surface flow first. We're gonna go right, and what you're gonna notice is that the lava is very shiny. There's a lot of that glass obsidian layer forming on the newest lava, and sometimes it looks like liquid metal. I can already see orange in the lava there where it's moving, coming out of the crust. So it's gonna be on the right side first, following the traffic. Oh yeah, it's broken open. This area has been flowing for a couple weeks now. See all the lava? Yeah, it's pouring. The other aircraft has to switch, so we'll switch and we'll come back to the right. Looks like somebody poured lead, pewter, or solder on the ground, yeah? And this side of that flow is kind of breaking out and flowing down the hill. It'll run, form crust, run and show bright orange, form crust. That's awesome, that's good. And it's flowing down here towards our left shoulder. Look at that, man. It's just pouring down him. Wow, look at that. Look how fluid. When we get a chance, we'll come back to the right. Wow, it's just running downhill there. Okay, now the shadows are hitting it. That's even better. We're gonna set up for our right side here. Let them finish up. Coming back around. Man, that was the easiest surface flow I've seen in months. Brenda, Ken, you guys got some good pictures out of that? Or video even, that would be cool, because you could see the change, yeah?
Yeah, we got some good ones.
Good, good. That's the bumps from the hot air, no problem. Yeah, it's still running, and it's flowing on top of old flow that's breaking a crust, exposing the older stuff.